Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you a handmade collection of my kids craft work. You can see these colored paintings. We made this with disposable plates. This is to help the kids stay off screen and to engage them positively in about an hour or two. Yes, the first one here is the kids trying to create a ladybug or a bug, whatever insect you think, made with dry leaves. First we got a disposable plate filled with dry leaves from our garden on it and made the hands and small antennas and eyes. You can see what we have. The second we try to make leaf pattern. This is a complete leaf pattern, okay, from this leaf, and then this is also another leaf pattern from this leaf, and then we glued the dry leaves to show that this is autumn on the plate. The third is just a mixture of black, green, vibrant red and blue color in a plate to create this museum exhibition looking at on a plate. Now we have patterns. This was made using a already constructed pattern of shapes and painted on the plate to give this beautiful looking artwork. Here is what we call a happy face creation with black for the and white for the eyes, nose and mouth, vibrant red for the face and green for the hairs. Hope it looks good. Okay, here we have another color painting that looks almost like this one, but with mostly green, black and blue with that vibrant red on the center. Here my youngest child made this with vibrant red on the side, blue on the center and green by the side. Here is plainly made of leaf pattern. This bold leaf was used to make this pattern. Here we used blue colors to paint on this back of the leaf, and we pasted it on other small project to ensure that we get the pattern directly on the leaves and the stem. You can see the part of the stems here, and over here is also the leaf pattern. And then we have this whole thing made looking so beautiful. We have the leaf pattern pasted with glue glued on the plate. These are all here. Here the plate covered and another color. Okay, these are all we have. This area, so also place this here. Look, this is a lion. Okay, so have a lion.